Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from engineering mathematics, specifically under to ng calculus. So mag-review tayo slight ng mga fundamentals or basic application ng derivatives. Pero before that, shoutout muna kay Nicole Benaventura at saka dun sa bebe niya, si future engineer Joshua Raizo Tanes. And alam ko Lodi Cakes, magiging engineer ka soon and after mo gumraduate, and I hope you all the best. God bless you always and stay strong with your bebe Nicole, and God bless you both. So yung problem natin is, given the function y equals ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d, in its lowest point, the relative minimum is at the origin and the point of inflection at 2, 4. So this is a situational question. We have two follow-up questions. Find the value of A and then find the value of B. So the first thing that we have to understand is the concept behind the critical points and the point of inflection. So yung lowest point kasi relative minimum, this is also the critical point, in which alam naman natin na yung critical point is where the first derivative is equal to 0. Kaya lang kasi, kung origin naman to mga Lodi Cakes, so ang magiging solution natin for this one is ganito mga idolo. So first thing, alam natin na itong y equals ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d, since lowest point niya yung origin, tumatama siya dun sa origin. It passes through the origin. So we have y equals ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d, in which we have 0 equals a multiplied by 0 cubed plus b times 0 squared plus c times 0 plus d. And eventually, we will come up with d equals 0. Kasi lahat naman yan magiging 0. Also, the relative minimum or the critical point is where the first derivative is equal to 0. So, ang gagawin natin, kunin natin yung first derivative nito mga Lodi Cakes. Y prime equals 3ax squared. So, applying the power rule, ibababa lang naman natin yan. Plus 2bx plus c. Eh sinabi critical point niya yung 0, 0. So at x equals 0, ang value nito is 0. So we have 0 equals 3a multiplied by 0 squared plus 2b multiplied by 0 plus c, in which another thing we will come up with c equals 0. So what happens here is we can rewrite our original function as y equals ax cubed plus bx squared after we have concluded that the value of c and d are both equal to 0. So what happens then? So we will be using the point of inflection. Ano po ba ang point of inflection? The point of inflection in terms of its meaning is where the concavity of a given curve changes. So pwede siya maging concave up or concave down dun sa point na yon. And also, in terms of mathematical statement, the point of inflection is where the second derivative is equal to 0. So kailangan natin kunin yung second derivative. Ano second derivative nito mga Lodi Cake? So y double prime equals, so since yung c naman natin 0, pwede na natin itong takpan. Y double prime will be equal to 6ax plus 2b equals 0. Pero anong point yan? At x equals 2. So magiging 6a multiplied by 2 plus 2b equals 0, in which we will come up with 12a plus 2b equals 0, or that is divide natin both sides by 2. 6a plus b equals 0. This will be our first equation. Then, since we have two unknowns, we have to conclude or we have to make sure that we have another equation, since dapat parehas yung bilang ng unknowns at saka yung number of equations natin. So how do we come up with the other equation, Sir IJ? So we will come up with the other equation by using the given curve na na-conclude natin after c equals 0 and d equals 0. Kasi yung 2, 4 is also a point on the given graph or on the given curve. So we have at 2, 4 mga idolo. So we have 4 equals a multiplied by 2 cube. I hope klaro mga Lodi Cakes ha. If may questions kayo, feel free to drop. So we have 4 equals 8a plus 4b. Pwede nating divide both sides by 4. So we have 2a plus b equals 1. Ito yung second equation natin. So pwede nating ilagay ito dito. 2a plus b equals 1. And then, pwede nating isubtract kasi may common na b. Okay, pwede nyo nang gamitin yung calculus nyo guys. 4a equals 0 minus 1, negative 1. So we will come up with a equals negative 1 over 4. And kapag sinulod natin si b, so negative 1 4 times 2, negative 1 half, lipat sa kabila, 1 plus 1 half. So that is b equals 3 halves. So the answer to the following possible board problem. So, yung value ng A natin is negative 1/4, so letter B. And for the value of B, we have positive 3/2. So, if ever mayroon kayong questions or clarifications, guys, huwag kayong mahiyang mag-comment sa comment section. And maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin. Kita-kits tayo sa mga susunod na mga events na pwedeng puntahan ni Sir IJ, and shoutout nga pala din dun sa mga taga CNSC tsaka taga CSPC na na-meet ko last time. And God bless you always, mga Lodi Cakes. Bye-bye and thank you.